Kaunti ma Kisumu oriwore gi piny mangima hingo odiochieng ma nyithindo ma nyiri e tielo mar 6. Odiochieng nyiri rango midhiero ma joma nyiri kale kendo temo manyo yore minyalo ked godo gi midhierni ma kamago. Thor wach ma kawuono oting'o poro wach ewi miyo kit chwech mopogore ratiro maromre, ting'o malo somb nyithindo ma nyiri, weche mag ngima to kod arita margi e kind twak mamoko moting'o keny mohiu, lwenje mag udi kod dang'ni mag paro. Nyasi ma kamano neno ka joma nyiri mane oyuore nyasino nooro ote ne jowetegi mamoko mondo mi ginyuak lwedo ting'o malo chenro mag siro nyithindo ma nyiri e yudo ratichgi.
It's a great platform where girls and young women get chance to share out their issues affecting girls out there, girls and young women. They find a chance to share issues affecting girls and young women, and in this forum we find different departments who are directly related to this program who can help us solve our issues.
The fact that they're giving us this opportunity, they're putting in so much resources, their time, and giving us the opportunity to even tell them how we feel and what we want is amazing.
Kisumu County have given platform to these girls to listen to them, because most of the time policies are normally developed in the boardroom for these young girls just to handle their issues, but we have never given them opportunity to listen to them.
This summit will also present an opportunity for us to break down what mental health looks like, how mental health can be dealt with, what brings about mental health, but apart from that also an opportunity on where they can go.
You realize most of these cases of gender-based violence, some of them come with the challenges in the families in terms of poverty. So as a government, we've come up with a bill that is soon being taken to the Assembly. It was passed in the cabinet yesterday, so that once that bill is passed, then we can have a regulation that can really show us how do we ensure that we empower these families.
Jodito e sekta mopogore